spinning around in multicoloured teacups, enjoying a ride in a flying elephant, snapping a selfie with Donald Duck. This can only mean one thing: Disneyland. And in Paris, the park is open to visitors once again.
It's very emotional to come back to Disneyland Paris. It's a magical and unforgettable feeling.
We're very happy to be back here. We've been waiting for the opening for a long time. It feels good to enjoy the magic, especially right now.
So we just came off Big Thunder Mountain. It was really fun. The adrenaline, I think that's what we missed the most as well. The only place you can really do that as adults is Disneyland, so there's something that's very special for us.
Face masks are compulsory for visitors and employees, and there will be a reduced capacity at restaurants as Disney reopens the Paris park with caution.
Alors bien entendu, ce sera un peu différent.
It will obviously be a little different because we are facing a different situation, but most of the attractions will be back. Interactions with our characters will be back too, even more of them, but they've been reinvented to fit in with social distancing.
The park is hoping people will come for what it calls the Disney magic, but the company has been struggling, suffering a $1.4 billion hit to its profits in the first 3 months of the year. Like all big companies, Disney's been hit hard by the effects of the pandemic. It's added billions of dollars to its debt load, slashed executive salaries, and furloughed more than 100,000 employees worldwide as it tries to offset a huge loss in income. There have been protests by staff in the United States. They fear the company is rushing to get parks open again, despite a continuing rise in the numbers of new cases.
We want the park to open, but we want it to open safe. And right now, Disney has not assured the conditions to do that. They are resisting testing. They can't tell us details of how they're going to handle cleaning, what they're going to do if somebody gets sick.
Disney bosses are also anxious for the Paris park to avoid the hurdles that have affected other sites. Disneyland in Hong Kong has had to close again due to new infections just a month after reopening. For now, in France, visitors are excited to be back, and Disney is hoping it won't have to wave goodbye to the public again if the health situation gets worse. Ross Cullen, CGTN, Paris.